Assalamu alaikum. I will create a producer consumer communication system using gRPC, where consumer or client can register and log in his profile and see and update his profile. Here the data will be stored in a database where I will use Zen. So we have to connect Java with MySQL. So for that we will use Databse, Java database connectivity. So this video can help. And also there are two sections in this project. One is setting up gRPC and another is connecting Java with MySQL. So in gRPC section, we will first create gRPC protocols and generate stub code for both client and server. Then we will define the services and implement those services. So here in this database, profile management, there are two tables. One is user authentication, where username and password will be encrypted, and also the profile creation time will be stored. And the user profile table, user can log in and update his full name, email, and also can see this data. So going to the code, here is the form.xml. We are using Maven as a build system. So we are adding some dependency. This is for gRPC and protocol, and we will also add some build system which will help generate stub code. So this is the profile that you define for all the services of API. User can register, log in, log out, create profile, update, and show, or view this user profile. We are defining all the request and response. So finally, this is the introduction of the services. We are connecting the database and register, login, password, hasher, all the services are defined here. And this is the producer where we are starting the server at port 1212. So I will test now using Bloom RPC as a client. So Bloom RPC is like Postman, but for gRPC we are connecting the port and importing the user profile and the register and adding username and password. Let's run this. See, successfully was registered. Let us go to the database, and in the user authentication, it is updated and the password is fetched. So now in the login, we are logging to the created account. The login is successful. Then we can create our profile. I will pause the video. So I have filled up the information. So now I will test this. It says profile created successfully. We will verify this by going to the database, user profile. So you can see it is updated. Now in the update profile section, I will test this value and run the. So you can see profile update successfully. Let us see. I will reload. You can see it is updated, and also the update time is different than the creation time. Okay, we can now go to user profile. We will view our user profile. You can see all the information. We can code for client side also instead of using Bloom RPC. We can see the consumer side code. There are also profile and form.xml. We have done the same thing like producer, and this is the profile, and this is the code for consumer. Here we need a channel to connect server and client, and user stuff will be used. And here you can see the port 121. So upon selecting option, these are used different kind of things. If we run it, server is already run, so then register a new user. Hello. Bye. Okay, you can see the hello was registered, and we can log in. Login successful. If we go go to the database. You can see the user authentication table. You can see the hello and why what is encrypted. So this is how we can use gRPC. We can create a producer and we can then create a consumer also. So we can test in this way. Thank you.